topic. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide functions. I'm gonna show you some of them, not everything. I don't have enough time to show all operation, but at least we have one problem here. So this problem, this is what is the f over g times x of f of g x. What is that? What I mean that we have this data here. Fx is equals negative 2x, and then gx is equals x plus 5. All right. Let's see some background before. We have to remember this. So remember this 4 thing. For example, addition. Addition. You have to remember this. F plus g of x is equals f x, of course, plus g x. Subtraction. Subtraction. F plus g. No, subtraction is minus g x is equals f x minus g x. Now multiplication. F times g of x is equals fx times gx. Division. Like this problem. This is a division. F divided by gx is equals fx divided by gx, where gx must to be different from 0. The division, we have to, I'm going to write this. This is very important. This little clue, and notice that gx must to be different 0. That's because that's because division by 0 is undefined. It's undefined. That's why we have to check the numbers when you divide it. When you divide it, check the division must be different. You don't have to, must be different 0. You get 0, the division is undefined. So I'm going to show you the process and the practice with this problem. All right. So let's solve this example here. Now, I'm gonna do step by step. The first, solve. So divide here. Divide fx by g. I'm gonna leave some space over there to divide here fx by gx. Correct? That means that you must write the numbers in this way: f divided by g x. This is equals fx, I told you before, divided by gx. And then here we have to substitute the values here, the numbers, the data. Substitute. Okay, substitute now, and then you substitute, we are going to have here, it's going to be equals minus 2x divided by x plus 5. See? Now, remember when the division is the result is 0, the division is undefined. You have to find the exclusive values. The exclusive values. Since division by 0 what happened is undefined. It's undefined. It's undefined. So any value of x, any value of x that makes I don't write everything, makes gx equal to 0 is an exclusive value. Check all this information here. So now, I'm gonna write the gx. This is the formula gx. This means this gx equals 0. So substitute here. Substitute gx equals x plus 5. See the step? See this step? Please check it. Find the data. Now, what is the answer here? You substitute here, you're going to have x plus 5 equals 0. You simplify, x is going to be 5, move to the other side is going to be negative. So then x is equals negative 5. Take a look at this number, this answer. So the exclusive value here, the exclusive value, this is the exclusive value. The exclusive. What is the exclusive value? Is negative 5. It's negative 5. See? It's negative 5. So, therefore, f divided by g, f divided by g x is equals negative 2x divided by x plus 5. And x, see, told you, it's different of 5. This is the answer. Got it? Easy, no? All information step by step by step. So I write this because it's very important. You can keep in your mind this process, this data. Very important. Check this, the last step. Two things. The first step, easy. The second one, easy too. So far, this is a let me show you another problem. This is division. Let me show you another one, another problem. I think we have time to show you multiplication. Let's do something easy. So what is the here's one problem. What is the f times g x? Okay, with this data, fx is equals negative x squared plus 4, next x squared plus 4, negative x squared plus 4, and then gx equals let's write it negative 3x. Just I don't want to write all the steps before. Just I'm gonna try to go directly to the answer and then solve the problem. Here's the problem. So solve it. Solve and then multiply. This is multiplication, fx and gx. So substitute here is going to be equals substitute it right here, f times 3, the old formula right here, x equals fx, just follow me, times gx. Okay, you substitute the information here, or the formula, substitute the formula, you're gonna have equals here minus x squared plus 4, see, times, it's times negative 3x. This is our multiplication. Here apply the distributive property. Let's use the distributive property here. Property. Distributive property and this problem. So to move over there, I'm gonna move over there. Here is going to be equals x squared, see, times negative 3x plus 4 times negative 3x. Yeah, negative 3x. So distributive property. Now multiply. Now multiply is going to be, you multiply, how much is? Multiply is going to be x times here, oh, this is negative x, okay, negative x, negative, here is negative x squared. So you multiply, you are going to have 3x to the third power, x times x is 2 to the second 1, it says 3, plus 4, plus 4 times 3 is negative 12, negative 12x. Here, simplify, you simplify that, we are going to have 3x to the third power minus 12x. This is the answer right here. So multiplication and division. I think I did the most difficult operation with function. The addition and subtraction I already did before. It's very simple. But here, the division is a little thing, you know, when we have to check the zero. So for indefinite, when the division, when you divide by zero, it's undefined operation. So that's why we have to check it. And the multiplication is no problem. Just like that.